Find the average rate of change over the interval 3 and, 13 over 4. Well, that's going to be fun, especially because my function has a square in it. Average rate of change, what is that? Well, it's basically slope. And the way you find average rate of change is you do f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Now, what's b and what's a? Your b and your a, or your a and your b. So let's find out what f of b and what f of a are. Let's go in order from easiest to not so easy. F of a is going to be the same as f of 3. F of 3 means I take 3 and I plug it into every x up here. So 3 squared minus regular 3 minus 1. 3 squared is 9 minus 3 is 3 minus 1 is going to equal 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Bada bing. So f of a is 5. A was 3. Now on to the rough stuff. F of b, which is the same as f of 13 over 4. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 13 over 4, I'm going to plug it into this function, and I'm going to square it, subtract it, minus 1. So I got 13 over 4 squared minus 13 over 4 minus 1. 13 over 4 squared means you multiply 13 over 4 times itself. So 13 times 13 is the numerator, that's 169. 4 times 4 is the denominator, that's 16. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite 13 over 4 so that it has a denominator of 16 so I can deal with fractions. So let's multiply the top and the bottom of this guy by 4. So if we multiply 13 by 4, that gives me 52, and 4 times 4 is 16, and now I can deal with those fractions. Minus, let's turn 1 into 16 over 16 by multiplying it by 16 over 16. 169 minus 52 is 117. 117 is 101, my favorite amount of Dalmatians. Look at that. 101 over 16, that's f of b. Let's plug stuff in. So f of b ended up being 101 over 16 minus f of a, which ended up being 5. Let's do this. Let's turn 5 into something over 16 by multiplying 5 to 16 over 16, which is going to be 80 over 16. So that's just the numerator. All of that is going to be over b minus a, which is 13 over 4 minus a, which is 3. So why don't I turn a into something over 4 by multiplying u by 4 over 4. So you're going to be 12 over 4. Oh, that's actually going to turn out quite nice. 101 sixteenths minus 80 sixteenths is 9 plus 10 sixteenths. It's a joke. Look it up. 13 minus 12 is 1 over 4. A fraction divided by a fraction means multiply the top part by its reciprocal. So something divided by 1/4 is the same thing as times 4 over 1. So these guys simplify to 21 over 4. That's my average rate of change. Not pretty at all, but a lot of fun.